Kĩgomano gĩa gwĩkĩrĩra bata wa mathomo ma mathabu na science gĩtabanĩirio thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu wa Moi Isinya. Airĩtu makĩũrio gwĩkĩrĩra mathomo maya nĩguo mũigana wa airĩtu na atumia arĩa marĩ rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ wongerereke.
Most girls shy off from taking these careers related to sciences, and in most cases that attitude is there that science is mainly is difficult. And we are in this exercise and in this camp, we are so happy because those are some of the issues that are being demystified.
Girls are very able. It is just a matter of including them and giving them that opportunity to be able to explore these opportunities.
Mathomo maya marĩa mabarĩrĩirio nĩ kĩũngano kĩa UNESCO kiugĩte no gĩcunjĩ kĩa 30% kĩa atumia kĩrutaga mawĩra marĩa makonainie na ithomo rĩa mathabu, science no taaramu wa kĩrĩu o ũndũ ũmwe na engineering.
One of our main priority is about gender equality within education and by education, and also we really would like to demystify about girls and science.
And we have met teachers and other mentors from institutions like the universities who are going to mentor our girls in areas ICT like web design and web developing.
Arutani na aruto arĩa mekinyĩte kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ maugĩte barĩ bata wa mũtumia kũbeo mĩeke ĩiganaine na aruna ao arume nĩguo kuona maumĩrĩra mĩeke-inĩ ya mawĩra matiganĩte.
We see a situation in the future whereby we'll be building a very strong workforce. I foresee a situation whereby in the 2029 when our CBC first grade 7 learners will be transitioning to university, we'll be having a very strong force that is very knowledgeable in different aspects of technology, and that will make our knowledge economy a reality.
Tunapewa impact ya kwa nini tunachukua hizi mathematics, sciences kama biology hivyo na fizisia. Tafadhali kama wasichana ningeomba tufanye hizi career za sayansi.
Gender yetu isikuwe kikwazo kwetu. We can all make it. Tunaweza kuwa beyond penye tumewekewa. Wote tunaweza kuwa science, tunaweza kuwa engineers, doctors. We can make it.
Maya mokĩte rĩrĩ thirikari ĩkĩrĩire barĩ maũndũ ma ũthii wa na mbere kũgerera mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.